Kari here from ABI Interiors, and today we're in Byron Bay outside Casa Pampa. This modern coastal home is an amazing example of how a renovation can be just as beautiful as a new build. Let's check it out. So as soon as you step through the front door, you're straight into the open plan kitchen, dining and living. I've got to say, how gorgeous are these bar stools, oh my gosh. It's a very warm, earthy palette, and the result is just an instant feeling of calm as soon as you step into the space. You've got these warm concrete floors, the timber cabinetry, and this textural exposed brick which was carried through from the facade of the home. And then I do just want to point out this exposed shelving. This is a bit of a consistent feature throughout the home. It's also on this wall over here. On what is otherwise a plain white wall, this shelving just adds a really nice warm element, and it's a fun place to style as well. And haven't they just done such a great job? So through here is the first bedroom. You've got all that light pouring in from the front facing window. The styling in here is just immaculate, and I have to say my favourite piece is definitely this chair. The furniture choices in this home are just insane. And over here is the ensuite. So you'll see that the bathrooms and laundry carry this consistent theme of a square tile, but in this ensuite they've actually used a mosaic. It's a Japanese mosaic in this mushroom colour, which I think just pairs with that brush brass so perfectly, and it really suits this home. So this home is built in a U shape. So if you just look out here, you walk past the central outdoor entertaining area. And as you make your way down to the bedrooms, you actually pass this book nook, which is just a very clever use of space, styled with a beautiful rattan reading chair. And here we have the main bathroom. Now this is one of the areas of the house that did actually receive a bit of a layout change. There was a previous wall up here, and that was removed in order to allow more space for the bath to fit in and a bit of a bigger shower. And these beige tiles, these come up in the laundry as well. They're just so impactful having them on the floor and walls. It really creates a sense of luxury. And on the opposite side of that main bathroom, we have the laundry. Now this didn't change in layout at all. And it's a great example of how just simple cosmetic changes can really make a big impact just by adding that floating shelf and changing up the tiles and tapware. This really is quite a beautiful space. So as you walk down the hall, we pass the study, and here is the third bedroom, which is currently being used for a bit of a lounge room situation. And through these double doors is the master. Even has its own lounge in here. This is just such a generously sized space. When you look at the foundations of this home, it's actually quite pared back, but the owners have just added their own flavour with their immaculate sense of style. And out from the master, you step into the backyard. A nice timber deck, a little fire pit in the back corner, and even a hanging reading chair behind me with that stunning, gorgeous bushland surrounding the house. I hope you guys liked this house tour as much as I did. We'll see you next time.